in early spring, when small birds sing and lamb do sport and play. My way I took my friends for sup, and went to Dublin Bay. I am what I ask, a passenger, and to England I sail over, and bade farewell to all of my friends, and left the Shamrock shore. To London fair I did repair, my fortune there to find. I found it was a lovely place, and pleasant to my eyes. The ladies too were fair unto view, and rich the purse they wore. But none I saw that could compare with the maids of the Shamrock shore.
Store forskjellen på Jotunheimen og Rondane er at I Jotunheimen så det bare stor stein.
Ja. With the maids of the Shamrock